already see what it is, nigga. Bitch running shit. You don't play around here, let's side. Big league shit. Yeah. If you ain't nothing stable, you ain't wanna go. Broken brick down with the team. Come on, never seen the fuck nigga. Come on now, let's go. Money days, I was hurting. Give a fuck. Had a couple feelings to the top. They don't give it up. I'm from the trenches in my city. Dangerous.
Made a $500,000 on the road, now they fuck with us. Got a couple Cubans on my neck, getting tangled up. Bust down, rollie on my wrist, now I'm dancing up. Got a couple bitches on my line who I'm...
You already see what it is, man. Big boy shit over here, man. We do big shit over here, man. Shout out to my nigga 111 Studio. Y'all boy look at the studio time, go fuck with my team, man. Paperwork, go fuck with my team, man. We do big shit down here, man. 305, Miami, lifestyle. This how we rock, Killer Bird, DME, Big Z shit.